individually, we should do as much as dua as possible, especially in the last 1/3 of the night. And the Prophet said, in the last 1/3 of the night, there is 1 hour where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala descends to the lower heaven and asks, is there any of my servants who want something, and I will answer his prayer. So the best time in the full day to dua is the last 1/3 of the night, especially in tahajjud, in the night prayer, in the sujood, when we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's the best. And those who pray tahajjud, this is the best time in the last 1/3 of night, especially in the sujood, pray for the Palestinian brothers and sisters. And those who don't pray tahajjud regularly, are not used to praying tahajjud, this may be an excuse for you that at least get up in the last 1/3 of night, maybe 1 hour before the fajr or half an hour before the fajr adhan, and pray tahajjud. You may never know, by this it may become a part of a lifestyle, which is one of the most important sunnah after the faraid.